welcome back. Today we're gonna do a science experiment. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw something and we'll make it float. It's really cool. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we need is some water. I've got 10 tablespoons here. And a plate. I like using a white plate because you could see it better. Then we need a pencil or a pen, some scissors, a ruler, some color of dry erase markers. You need dry erase markers or they won't work. One reason you need a dry erase markers is if you use a different kind, it might not come off the plate and your mother will be very mad. Two, maybe if you use washable markers, it'll just, all the color will come off and your picture, whatever you have, won't float. And then we need some paper. I have this paper which has print on the back. So all you need is a paper which has a white side. You could use a toothpick instead. And you need a tissue. Okay, let's get started. Put all this stuff away. All we need right now is your plate. Sometimes accidents do happen. I knocked over my 10 tablespoons. Good thing I had a mat, but still, I have to wipe. Okay, we're back. I spilled my water. All right, the first step is to take your towel and wipe your plate clean. You can skip this step if your plate is already completely clean. I would recommend still doing it just in case there's a little wet. Mine is wet because it came straight out of the dishwasher. All right, the next step is to draw. Okay, let me draw. I'm just gonna do a quick drawing so I don't waste your time. Okay, now I'm done drawing. Made a little caterpillar and a leaf. So I'll show you another picture I did. So this one I did the day before filming, so that's why it's different. Okay, hope you saw that. Last step is to take your water and pour carefully until you cover the whole plate. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Right here, my caterpillar lost a leg. Yeah, you can see, I can't see much, but you can see that my caterpillar is coming alive. All right, see that? Come in closer, camera. Gonna just wibble it a little bit. Oh, lost 2 legs. Oh, poor little caterpillar. Okay, to do, once again, I'm gonna set this aside very carefully. Very, very carefully. This part is optional, but now take your paper, that's I got wet, and make a high triangle. So I'm gonna make my height 13.5 centimeters and my width 9.5 centimeters. So let's mark it. You can make your triangle any height or width. Now we're gonna fold that triangle we made in half to make a really, really steep triangle. I ended up like this. All right, now I'm gonna bring my caterpillar here. who's losing many legs. And with this, you can like move it around carefully. I'm gonna move that leg over there, leg over here. So you could like remove pieces you don't want. And when you're done, if you wanted, you could like pick them up and put them to the side. I'm gonna add more water. I like to blow it so it moves. Running away. I'm lucky that one stayed. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. So please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your notification for more fun things like science experiments and art, craft, cooking, more stuff. All right, so bye.